Introducing our project for pedestrian accessibility, Safe Stride and Ride. Our chosen site is Maribyrnong, located in Victoria, home to 86,000 residents.
A popular suburb containing constantly busy roads and many points of interest, including High Point Shopping Centre, community space, and green space, all connected by a river trail.
On the walkability scoring, Maribyrnong is rated 70% with a ranking of 85 across all Victorian suburbs. This is measured by walking around Maribyrnong with maximum points given to every 400 metres travelled in 5 minutes. We also studied the obstacles and concerns faced by the public. This is being issues about unsafe crossing paths, unorganised parking, constant waiting for the traffic intersections, and unavailable cycling paths.
This data shows an increase in cyclists traveling to work over the past 10 years. We also collected data on accidents across Maribyrnong. This shows the level of accident risk from low to high, with the higher risk of accidents being at four major roads in Maribyrnong.
Focusing on the first two major accident risk zones, being at an intersection, we have redesigned these roads to improve the pedestrian and cyclist experience.
Some of these walking conditions include limited access to cycling paths, abruptly ending narrow pedestrian path, footpaths only available on one side, no barrier between tram tracks and pedestrians, unsafe crossings at traffic intersections.
For the first concept, we looked at redesigning the current road layout at a smaller scale, where pedestrians and cyclists are ensured their own safe lanes. This is the redesign for the roads with low accident risk, with a buffer placed between pedestrians, cyclists, and vehicles to ensure safety and a positive experience for all users. On a larger scale, we redesigned the intersection between the two high-risk accident zones. Starting off with the pedestrian lanes, we identified the traffic intersections and the route which pedestrians circulate across and around the intersection points. For the cyclists, we designed a fast and slow lane ensuring access in all directions. Through the use of an updated traffic light system, cyclists are able to travel straight and across, as well as one path going through the intersection and the other around. And similarly, for all the other intersection lanes, a similar concept is followed. We also placed buffers between the pedestrian and cycling paths and reduced the vehicle lanes to enhance the pedestrian and cyclist experience. Here is a visual representation of the intersection network.
For concept 2, we looked at precedents with flyover lanes specifically for enhancing non-vehicular access. This design concept allows uninterrupted and a safe access for these users whilst they travel unbothered by the traffic. For our proposal, we want to create a path covering major green spaces across Melbourne and also promoting a safe and an interactive path for these users whilst enjoying the journey and its views. The Safe Stride and Ride lane, connecting from the city to Maribyrnong, with multiple stops accessing from one public space to another, with a total journey being 10 kilometers in 2 hours. Referring back to the criteria for the walkability score, this design meets the criteria 5 minutes faster whilst also improving and ensuring a user's experience. Thank you.